Welcome back, K-Homies. Welcome back to our channel.
Today we are doing a junk food versus healthy food challenge. The rules are, so we are going to mix up the bucket. We're going to look away.
And we hope to get junk food every single time. I'm just kidding.
Yes! I just want to eat junk food. Well, this isn't a real thing. But I got junk food. So then we're going to have the junk food. And then ready? I'm going to have. You actually got junk food?
Okay. We're going to do teams.
Okay.
Sorry, we're going to do teams, so they switch places.
Okay.
So we're going to, the rules are, one team will pull a thing out of the bowl, whether it's junk food or healthy food. So if we pull junk food, then we eat junk food. This side gets junk food and we lose, we don't get a point. They get the point because they get the healthy food. Even though junk food tastes better, we are trying to eat healthy and be a little healthier. So that's how it works. So let's get started.
The way we're going to decide which team goes first is me and AJ are going to play rock, paper, scissors. Whoever wins goes against Dad.
No, draws the first card.
Yeah, draws the first card. So AJ, you ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, AJ won! AJ won! Yay! All right, buddy. So you got to look. You can't look. What are you gonna pick? Get a card. Let's see which one it is. Let's grab one of them. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, we got healthy food. All right. Round one. The boys got healthy, so we win a point. But at the same time, we get to drink some green juice.
I'm so sad. I get to drink a Coke.
Let's give it a shot, AJ. Let's see how this stuff tastes. I think I'm okay with this stuff, but it's all right. Here, I open that one. You can have it.
No.
We shake them up.
It's mine.
AJ, they're the losers in
Alright,
this
ready?
round.
That might not taste so good, AJ.
It has ginger.
Did that taste good? Yeah.
So it has celery, apple, cucumber, spinach, romaine lettuce, kale, and ginger. It's honestly not that bad. It's really not too bad. You want to taste it?
It only tastes like kale.
Alexa, it's your turn. Here.
This tastes like we're winners.
All right, so we get a
Mom,
point.
try
AJ, high five. All right. Okay, round two.
It's actually really good.
All right, Mommy and Daddy have to play rock, paper, scissors to see who draws. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win again.
No.
Yes. All right.
Get healthy, please.
Okay.
I'll hold it.
Okay, I
Okay.
can't look.
No, I picked it because we won.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
Can't do that. I was like, get healthy, please.
I got healthy again.
It's okay.
All right, sweet.
Okay,
All right. Round two, we got salad as our healthy food. AJ's favorite. This is actually honestly his favorite. And then the girls got junk food, ding dong.
I'm not sad about this.
It's gonna taste good, but it's sad.
They're sad they're losing by points, but
Yes.
not by taste.
Me and AJ.
All right, round three. Alexa and AJ are gonna do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, the girls won
Did you
finally.
I got rock and
Get
roll.
healthy.
Rock, paper,
You can't
scissors,
look.
shoot.
You can't look. No, you can't look. Look that way.
Oh!
Hey!
Oh, they got healthy food this time? Oh, whatever. All right, so this time, now it's 2-1.
Okay, so we eat the strawberries.
Woo! We got some moment cream pies.
Look at this one, you guys. It's like all Quasimodo.
My friend at school has these.
All
Okay,
right.
on to the next.
Okay, ready? This is now round 4, the last final round. So if the girls get this round, then we have to figure out one more thing to do for a tiebreaker. But right now, AJ and I have 2, and the girls have 1. So we got to see if we can win this. All right? Okay. Mommy and Daddy are gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh! The girls win. Well, they don't win yet. They have to get healthy food first.
Give me healthy. You guys wish us luck. Give me healthy.
Please, Mom. No!
Oh, you switched it. That's a cheat. Instant replay. She switched it.
Please, Mom. No!
Oh, you switched it. I caught it.
I wasn't looking.
She wasn't even looking. She was like that.
Oh.
Yeah. No, I saw you. You grabbed both and then dropped.
Yes,
jumped.
I did.
That's switching.
Oh, we're gonna go back and watch. Okay, anyways. Alright, whatever. They got healthy. Okay, whatever. Are you trying to get down?
Okay.
Alright, so we get potato chips.
And we get nuts. Good for the skin.
There's nuts. Hey!
Nuts are also a good healthy protein.
They're mixed
They have
nuts.
natural
they're not
healthy
yours.
protein.
I stole one of them.
Hey, it's a macadamia nut.
Macadamia.
Alright, so now we have now all the rounds are done. We have 4 rounds. We are now tied 2-2. So to do the winning, to see who wins, AJ is gonna rock, paper, scissors against Mommy. We're gonna do 3 rounds, so the best out of 3 wins the whole thing. Okay?
And they get all this snacks.
Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna go against Mommy, okay? Alright, Marks.
Mom.
You set? Go!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
1. Okay, do 1 more. 2 more, bud.
1, 2, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, the girls win!
No, that was 2.
Because it's the best out of 3. It was the best out of 3. AJ, Mommy beat you in rock, paper, scissors. shoot.
No, I did
You
try.
guys, stop
This means
everything. I do have a confession to make.
I know, she cheated.
No, not that I cheated, but I did hear Alexa say, "Oh," and then I switched it. Okay,
It's
I'm
okay.
sorry.
It's alright. It is what it is.
But
Guess what?
But I fair and square won that paper, rock, scissors.
No.
Yes, I did.
Cheaters lose.
Okay. Well, you will let you guys decide in the comments. You let us know who really won this round. Alright?
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And remember,
Keep your chin up
and never give up. Thanks for watching.
Bye.